Welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
This is the anthem for God's family. This the anthem for my church. You're gonna stay with me forever. You're my blessing, not my curse. I don't care about having money. In my heart, it's family first. This is the anthem for God's family. This the anthem for my church.
It's like in my life, people come and go. Everyday people moving that flow. And though at times it may
So
seem
we're going
like
to
I'm
church
downhill,
and Fai's driving and she looks really angry and yeah.
talking with me,
Bye.
just jam in, take a look around at the
Okay, everyone is getting ready.
one family. In the eyes of Lord our God, who we aim to be.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is like get ready with us to go to camp. Hey guys, today our junior youth is going to Kokakology for camp experience, so stay tuned, have fun. If you don't like it, I'm gonna follow you.
To my sisters, man, this the anthem, sing it, fam.
This is the anthem for God's family. This the anthem for my church. You're gonna stay with me forever. You're my blessing, not my curse. I don't care about having money. In my heart, it's family first. This is the anthem for God's family. This the anthem for my church.
Fretua reanga sala, lo uso makaalang i le pekia lo ola mawhasanga I maunga. Ainga ia malos na whakoko mai e kalia wharokanga o ia le ala. Le upu moi ma le ola soso maia. Alofa ngai makuola ngofa polonga. Kau singa lo ainga makongi inga.
Hey guys, got the boys here. We're getting ready to go to the camp. Yeah, and you're the Cavaliers, eh?
Whawhika au I whengai ma oe runga le ala I e pipi I pele anganga. E maua oe le manga I whao wau le whainga malanga I whawai vai. Peke pa u. Aonge ngalo le ese me e mo se whire mu e manga kua. Whamua mua. Lau kale sia marau.
Here with Fai
And
Lily.
where are we going today?
We are going to Coca-Cola Lodge for our 2025 Everywhere White Camp, guys.
The anthem for my church. You're gonna stay with me forever. You're my blessing, not my curse. I don't care about having money. In my heart, it's family first. This is the anthem for God's family. This the anthem for my church. This is for. This is for.
Stay tuned, subscribe, and put your notifications on.
I'm gonna show you our snacks for our roadie.
Okay, so first we got, what are these, Papa Jacks? Second, we got honey soy chicken chips. And then we've got the sour cream and chives rice crackers. Then my shapes, these ones are the best flavors.
I like how you said mine.
And then how do you say this?
Casella, yeah.
And then we've got white chocolate Whitakers.
That's for me.
And then we've got my lips.
Ooh, I like how you said mine again.
And then who's fancy?
My fencer.
And then
Fai's.
Fai's fancy.
Yeah. And Cuisine packed a whole bag of, I don't know, unnecessary stuff. He forgot his toothbrush. And this is his snack.
And this is
That's for him. Oh, and he's got his email.
look at my question. So this is and then
And if no one claims this, it's mine as well. And one more. This is for everyone.
another honey soy chicken.
So yeah, our driver's hungry.
This is the anthem. This is the anthem, yeah.
This is our other view. Look at all this nature.
Oh!
Keep going. Now we're going downhill. This is the rock climbing up here, all the way, look up right there. And those, this is where people eat. And then the cabins are right there, and you keep going straight. Very nice. This is everyone. Yeah. We're already here. With no service. So we're going in. Where are we going? We're going into the spot, to the reserve. How do you call it? Okay, let's go, guys. So we're surrounded by trees and nature, but no shade. This is where everyone is gonna meet up every day. Let's go to the kitchen. So in the kitchen we have the boys. They're like working hard with the supplies. And then more boys at the back doing their thing. And then the girls just helping them. Okay, actually. Okay, so over here we've got the it's like the sitting room. It's like yeah. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, so this is the sitting room. The dining room, the same thing. So let's come out here. So out here, we've got the balcony. This is the balcony area. And then over here, is the rock climbing area. And then down there is a waterfall. You can't really see it. And another spot that you can eat at is out here on the balcony. And yeah, that's basically it. And the cabins are down there. Right there. Okay guys, so stay tuned, keep subscribing and turn your notification bells on or something. Okay, bye guys!
Together we can fly high, never go by, but better by your side. Oh, this moment is so perfect. I never thought that I deserved this. When I get this feeling, it's hard for me to deal with.
now that we have finished setting up, we are now heading over to check out our cabin. So Tamar's on the left with the boys and we are on the right side with Tina and the girls. So the rooms were quite nice. There were bunk beds, but they were quite comfy. Check them out. So we stayed in Rimu. We had all this space to ourselves. We were in here with Soph, Petra, Emma and Sa and Fai. Lily's here with Iti, Lena, Lise. Look at that.
You left me wounded, disillusion, mass confusion as you walked out the door. Said I'm not gonna lie, had me shook for a while. Had to pick myself up off the floor. Then I opened my eyes, saw them beautiful smiles. Don't give up anymore.
We hope you like our rooms. Now we had to head back to our meeting point just to go through the agenda of what we will be getting up to in the next few days during our stay here. So stay tuned everyone and enjoy the one with us. Don't go anywhere. Before we head into our first session for the day, the crew team are on lunch duty. So some of us didn't have breakfast this morning. We'll be making burgers and fries for lunch.
Hey, who's on fun? Mayor and what veggies do we have? Oh, you need a lighter. I said those ones.
Mr. Worldwide, porque le encantan el drama. En la invasión de los latinos, todo el mundo, bienvenido. No le gusta que siga su camino. Se ha pervertido del libro casino. Tremenda venta, o spooky. Fascinating even though I'm hooky. Negativo, a positivo. Es la verdad y siempre te lo digo. Echa para allá, todo lo mando echa para allá. Echa para allá, todo lo mando echa para allá. Echa para allá.
featuring on the vlog, guys. Welcome to Fat Burgers. Today we are serving fries and smash burgers. So you're doing so well with the oil being so busy, they still carry on.
Lunch is now ready. Okay, so lunch has just finished. We've got a bit of free time to do anything, so we chose to rest.
Oh, you have to buy like you have to get the best. Hi again. Thanks for tuning in so far. I've just finished 2 sessions for today. Our first one, we had a show and tell activity. You had to bring an item from home, something that means a lot to you. So we did that, and then we had a Bible study session. The Dream Team, they are on dinner duties, and I think we'll have the drumsticks with potato salad. Anyway, so and we're just resting our backs and eating. Got a little bit FOMO, so now we're heading down. I'm doing it.
Ia whangamau mai ia o sungai whawhenga mai whalipua. O ke wala waku mai whaloa. Su mai ala mai au. Wa mai au ngā ka whenga inga le au Dream Team ne kaumawhanga o le awhia whi.
Thank you, Dream Team, for the yummy dinner. We're going to use our free time to come up with something for Talent Quest tomorrow night. Dream Team have been practicing, I think, since 4th camp. Check out Tamai and Tina being cutesy. We are now finishing the night off with some dessert. Had a fun activity tonight, which was the Burma Trail. This is what it is. We didn't take any videos, but enjoy the photos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just before bed, we are now going to prep for Amazing Race tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you for day 2. Don't forget to turn on your notifications.